It is literally an empty box. I'm supposed to be saving during quarantine. It's not going too well. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kim. Nice to meet you. I'm not usually dressed as a mermaid. This is just my parcel arrived and I really wanted to film straight away because I was super excited and I'm too impatient to wait. So I look like this. I ordered from Unicorn Cosmetics and I ordered 2 mystery boxes and some makeup brushes and they've just arrived, so should we have a look and see what I got? Because I'm excited and I can't wait anymore. Okay, let's go. My box and I have arrived. Right, I'm sitting to this side so that I can show what I've got on this side. I've pill touched my finger. Let's get started. So about a week ago, I ordered the Unicorn Cosmetics box. I'm supposed to be saving during quarantine. It's not going too well. You know why it's not going well? Because Instagram and Facebook keep giving me adverts. Then they did an Instagram video where this girl showed me everything that she bought from Unicorn Cosmetics. And then I remembered that they do mystery bundles and you guys kind of liked my Huda Beauty mystery box. So, we have a Unicorn Cosmetics one. And we're going to open the box. Probably shouldn't do that because you can probably see my address. Oh. So inside the box is more boxes. Okay, so in this first box, it is literally an empty box. Okay, so we have this box. I ordered 3 things. I ordered 2 mystery boxes. I'm quite concerned. I thought there's only 2 boxes in here. I ordered 2 mystery boxes and brushes. And this is all that's in here. This is an empty box. Please say they weren't supposed to put something in this box. So this is the first box. It says Sissy doll on it. And it says, you've got doll made. I think this is a mystery box. I'm going to close that a second. I'm going to open this box. Have they not sent my brushes? Maybe they've put the brushes inside with the boxes. Because I've just looked in here. Like a quick peek. I've not looked. But I didn't... Oh no, that's not place. I didn't actually order any eyelashes or anything. I literally just ordered the makeup boxes, the mystery boxes, and the brushes. So I sort of know that these are the mystery boxes because of what they have inside. So I'm guessing this is the smaller one. This was $24.99, I believe. So let's see what's inside. So it does say on the receipt that I do have all 3 items. So let's hope. So they give you this that says it'd be your own kind of beautiful, and you can win £50 off your order if you share a photo of you with your new merch. That's cute. Now, right, so their lashes are so pretty. These are their lashes in Unicorn Flutter. Oh my gosh, are they not just so cute? Like, look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. I can see, like... Oh yeah. Right, so before they used to come in like a plastic case and now they just come in this. But look at how pretty they are. They're so fluffy. Cute. So these are the Unicorn Flutter ones, which are the ones that I use on my, what's it called, TikTok. So these ones will be going to my sister because these were hers and I used them. But yeah, I got you some new lashes, Abigail. Oh, these are super pretty. These are the Rebel Smoke ones. As you can see, they're like thicker on the outer edge. They're so cute. Oh. Then I got their Prismatic Pigment. It doesn't say what shade, but it's the gold one. I nearly bought the pigments and I decided against it and I'm glad I did. Oh, how cute! So we got this brush. This is their powder brush. It says, "Whisk me away, your new best friend powder brush. Unicorn Cosmetics, I'm vegan." Okay, so this is from the mystery box because I bought an eye brush there. How cute. Look at that. I love the packaging. I should put it back in with its little pom-pom on top. How cute. This is the Chisel Cheeks, the brush to snatch your cheekbones. Ooh. This would actually work so well for contour. Like, oh, I nearly bought this. Oh, I'm so freaking, I broke the box. So this is their holographic lip gloss. For best results, dab, don't swipe. Try over, fave, dry down lippy for a more intense finish. How cool is that? It's a literal unicorn. Should we try it on? It says to dab. Is it doing anything? Ooh. Very holographic, very unicorn-like. I'm so orange. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited for that. And lastly, I got the brush cleaner. I'm not going to say what it says on it because I will get demonetized. Not like I get monetized in the first place. This is their brush cleaner. Okay, so next we have this box that I... Oh, how cute, cool is that? Like, she's literally holding a little unicorn dog. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so they have written my name on this little leaflet. That is, it makes me want to cry. That is so cute. This is like the closest thing I'll ever get to like PR or anything. Your new discovery awaits. I didn't get a totemic palette though, and this is all about the totemic. I can't say it. Totemic palette. This is super cute. Okay, no, right, yeah. The brush that I ordered is here. Okay, wait, no. I think I know why they gave me this. They've given me the palette. Wait. Literally. Oh my gosh, that is actually so cute. It says "Be Natural" on the front and it says, "Inside this envelope is a small step to helping our environment and the bees. Once you grow these seeds into flowers, it can help the bees by giving them nectar to take back to the hive to feed their families." So they sent me some flower seeds. That is super cool. Sweet. And then we have the Totemic palette, which I was actually going to buy. I didn't realise that they would send it in this. I don't think I'm going to have got doubles because by the looks of it, I think they've handpicked everything. Like, looked at the order and seen what they've already put in one. This packaging, I'm in love with like palm trees and gold. Let's have a look. I can't open it. because the box is rectangle, but I'm pretty sure the palette is a triangle. It's like a pyramid. It's like a diamond, should I say. Eyeshadows. Look. The packaging. Wow. Are those not just stunning? I really want to... That's the yellow. Toucan looks so pretty. Can you see the reflectiveness of that? Okay, I think my next video is going to end up being a makeup look with these eyeshadows. If you'd like to see that, I'm doing it anyway. I don't care if you want to see it or not. Okay. I'm so excited. I shouldn't have given it away to myself. I'm an idiot. Then we get another. This is where I should have started. Of these little thing. It hurts so bad. I've been sat in this position all day. This side of my hair looks so much better than the other side. Right, so we get 3 pairs of lashes in this box. We have Flammite. Which are these? I obviously don't know how to speak, so that says Flammy, not Flammite. Well done, Kim. This one's here. They're super cute. We have Stormy. Okay, I need to get these out of the box. Look at how full and fluffy they are. Are you kidding me? Can I stick with this one? I'm gonna have to look online and see which ones these are. It doesn't say. But they look super cute. Pretty, they're so pretty. They gave me an eyelash applicator. This is the green one. Oh, that is so pretty. I don't know what this voice is, but this is so pretty. This could help put my lashes on a lot. Oh, and this is their prismatic pigment. This is like the orangey one. They're not the same, are they? Well, I would know if I didn't put them apart. So these are the 2 pigments I got. Oh, they're so pretty. And then lastly, I think I've shown everything else, is another holographic lip gloss. I've got hiccups. Oh, this one has a blue unicorn horn, so we've got a blue one, purple one. I'm gonna have a soft fight. Oh my gosh, this one looks so pretty. I'm gonna put this over the top of the other one. I don't think you can see that very well on camera, but in person, you can definitely see it. I have a lot of bronzer on. And we got the palette is over because we did get, learn to speak when you're not rustling plastic here. We did get the 7-piece eye brush set. I was in need, desperate need, I need scissors, of some eyeshadow brushes because I'm lazy and I don't like to wash them all the time. So, I mean, I'm definitely going to use this pencil case for work. It is so cute. So you get 7 brushes. Look at that one. So that's like a smaller, but I ignore the way my hand looks. That's so cute. A fluffier one. 2 flat shader brushes. That one's smaller than the other, which are always handy to have because glitter, concealer, these are good to use. Angled brush. Oh my gosh, I needed a new angled brush. It's really thin. I don't know if you can see that. For when I do a winged liner. Probably the tiniest little blending brush I've ever seen in my life. This is at a medium size compared to the rest. You can believe that I will be doing a video using these brushes and the palette. Yes. Okay, so this was probably the shortest video in the history of videos I've ever done. not possible because one of them was a minute long. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy these little mystery box openings. I love mystery boxes, but this was the only other mystery box I could actually find. So I don't know if there'll be any more for a while, unless someone else comes out with a mystery box. But I'm really happy with what I got. Thank you Unicorn Cosmetics for choosing some really, really cool items. The boxes were fairly reasonably priced. Like, the small one was $24.99, and I mean, I got quite a lot in there. Then the next one up was $35, I want to say. I'll put the price on screen. $35, but I did get the palette as well, and quite a few items. If you don't like the mystery side of it, they do let you choose like 4 pairs of lashes for like £25, which is a really good price if you ask me. Like, lashes can be like £10 for a pair, so it's really good. I'm not sponsored by them at all, this is just my personal opinion, and I do really, really, really love the lashes. They're so nice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you, bye!